How to change country or region in Amazon app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon app, then log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll see country flag on top right corner of your screen. Click on that and here you'll find country region. You can select any you want. Then simply click on done and your Amazon will be switched into that region. And that's how you change country or region in Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.